Everyone, today I'm going to show you how to upload an assignment you have created to submit to your Google Classroom. So let's see, your teacher posted an assignment here in a Google Classroom. As you have seen, here is a new assignment computer. So click on this icon. So in this you have an attachment as a Excel worksheet. So click on the attachment and you will get your paper which you will going to be solved. Once you have completed your assignment, click on the arrow at the above of the screen, that is the left hand side. So this is again you will come back to the on that screen in which your assignment attached here. So at the bottom you will find the up arrow. Click here, and once you have completed your assignment, now it's time to upload your assignment to the Google Classroom on the paper in which you have created your assignment. So keep it in front of you and click on the add attachment. Here you have different options. So you need to click on the take photo, and this is your paper on which you are going to click. So click in that way, your whole paper will be captured in the camera, and keep in your mind your text will be visible. So click this and click on the OK button. So this is your assignment going to be attached in the Google Classroom. So it takes some time according to your internet speed. So here you can find your attachment is in your classroom. So if you have more papers, again click on the add attachment, because I think your assignment takes 2 to 3 pages. So again you click on the take photo and click on the other paper number 2, then click on the click button. Again click on the OK button. So this work is attached to your classroom. So just wait for a while. It's going to be attached to your classroom. So your two pages are attached to your Google Classroom as an completed assessment. So once you have completed your attachments, so click on the turn in button. So it will ask to you again, 2 attachments will be submitted to your computer. So click on the turn in button. So your work is submitted. So this is the way you will post your attachments or post your assignments in the Google Classroom. So thank you very much.